gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new in my channel, I'd like to welcome you guys. Welcome to Glam by G76, and I hope you subscribe, please. So in today's video, I am so excited. I am teaming up for the second time with Firmoo Optical, and they got in touch with me around December, which is a perfect timing because I just recently changed my prescription. So before I only have one astigmatism, and now I have astigmatism on my left eye as well. So I have to change all my eyeglasses and I have to change all my contact lenses, and trust me, astigmatism is not cheap. They're very pricey, especially with my contact lenses. So I have to wear my eyeglasses all the time now just to save my contact lenses. So I know already what style I like before going to their website. I really like the aviator type eyeglasses and I've been wanting to try it, and I'm so happy that Firmoo Optical has that kind of model. So I'd like to show you what I got. It is this guy. So the model of this eyeglasses, FB0M1781, and it is 16 grams. And it looks like a Ray-Ban aviator type of eyeglasses, and it has a really big lenses, or the frame is really big, and I like it because it I always get big glasses anyway. So I'm gonna try it, but I don't know how to adjust the setting of my camera because when I wear it, it's like it's reflecting in the camera, so bear with me. I just don't know how to adjust the settings. So this is what it looks like. This is like an aviator type glasses. It's big. I will try to look down so it's not reflecting that much in the camera. So let me tell you quickly about Firmoo Optical, especially for those who don't know them. So Firmoo Optical, or Firmoo.com, is one of the famous optical stores, and they offer hundreds and hundreds of different frames and styles, and they have a 3-month warranty. If there's a defect in the glasses, they will replace it, and they also have a 30-day exchange and return. If you get it, you don't like it, so they will exchange it, or you will be refunded in case you don't like it, as long as it's within the 30-day. Firmoo.com, you can use one coupon code, so you can do a free shipping code for all of US customers. If you spend $39 US dollars and above, you get this free shipping code within US, and for outside US, you get free shipping code if you spend $55 and above. But I have good news for all of you guys. Firmoo Optical is offering a special deal for all of my subscribers. You can get a pair of your eyeglasses with prescription for only $4.95. Again, for only $4.95, you can get a pair of your eyeglasses. I will put that link in my description down below. You click on that link, and Firmoo Optical will send you an email with the code. So if you use that code, you cannot use the free shipping code, so you can only use one code. So but that code, you pay $4.95, guys. Like this one can be $4.95 too if you like. Prescription is included. You only have to pay the anti-reflective, which is another $4.95, and you have to pay shipping. I think it's within Canada and US, you pay $12.95 shipping, and then outside US and Canada, it's $18.95. So please, guys, avail of that deal because it's such a great deal, to be honest. And you would think, why would I choose Firmoo? Their prices is like around 10% of the designer labels out there, and the style is totally the same. Second, they have a lot of different frame sizes, styles. I'm pretty sure you will find one. Third, their lenses, their anti-scratch is free. That's included. The fourth, they give you free accessories and repair kit. So when I got these glasses, I have the hard case, the eyeglass bag, the microfiber cloth so I can wipe it, and also I got the repair kit. It comes with the screws, the screwdriver, and the replacement nose pad. brands. So just to quickly tell you my experience with them, or the things you need to know when you order online. So first, you need to know the style, or the style of the frame or the glasses that you like. So as I've told you earlier, in my case, I really like the aviator type of glasses. So I already have in mind that I like a Ray-Ban style of eyeglasses. So that's what I have in mind. And then second, make sure you check the measurement of the frame or the glasses that you like. So always get your old glasses, measure the width here and also the length on the side, and the glasses that you like online, so you can compare your old glasses with the one that you're ordering. So just to make sure that you know it's not going to be too big or too small on your face. So that's what I did. And then third, this is the most important, guys. You have to have your prescription with you. So I just had my prescription in December, and make sure your prescription, it has the PD, or they call it the pupillary distance. So what is PD? PD is the distance of your pupils in millimeters. You need to enter that online or in their websites. If you don't have that, it means you only have a contact lens prescription. So you have to call your doctor and ask for your PD. So just to give you an idea, the ladies will have the average of 62 millimeter PD, and then the PD of men will have an average of 64 millimeter. In my case, mine is very complicated. I have a different, my right and my left PD, they're not the same. My right PD is 31 millimeter, and then my left PD is 32 millimeter. So if you combine them together, it's around 63. So when you enter your PD and then you choose the frame that you like, you enter, you can customize it. You can choose the anti-reflection or anti-radiation. The anti-scratch is free. And then that's it. You just submit your order, and then you get it within 5 to 7 business days. So I really had a great time working with Firmoo Optical, and they're my favorite online optical store, and their prices are very, very reasonable. So I hope you guys will avail that special discount code that they're giving my subscribers. Is $4.95 for a pair of prescription glasses. So that's about it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Bye!